Hey everyone, it's Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. Today I have another Stylevana unboxing for you. This is their August box. And of course, I also have a discount for you. I've never had this warning. This carton has been weight checked before, so it really surprised me when I opened the package. Let's look. Now the discount code is INF10KBH, and that works until the end of summer, and the discount depends on how much you spend. So I'll put the details in the description box along with all of the Stylevana links as well. Looks like this is an exclusive Stylevana Haruharo box. Let me know if you tried any Haruharo products. I've had a couple of their black rice things. I even have a video using them. Oh, that's cute. Your skin is 80% of your selfie. Well, they're not wrong. So the ones that I've tried so far, I really liked. So let's see what this has. Haruharo Wonder Black Rice Moisture Soft Cleansing Gel, unscented, really cool. I have not had their cleanser. I love their packaging, so pretty. Okay, this Haruharo Black Rice Hyaluronic Acid Anti-Wrinkle Serum. Haven't had this either. Isn't this adorable? I have a cream in the same shape but different color package, and it says somewhere in the materials that it's Instagram worthy packaging, which they're totally right. This is 100% Instagram worthy. Look at that. I actually love taking pictures of products that are packaged in a pretty way. I don't know. Haruharo Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. I wonder if this is the unscented version. I know that they are releasing an unscented version now. I have their scented version. Wonder Black Rice Facial Oil. This is so cool. I think this, together with the Haruharo products I already have, basically gives me a full routine of Haruharo. Oh, this is cute. And it's plastic, but that's okay. It looks like glass, though. Almost fooled me. And this is their Black Rice Hyaluronic Toners. This might be the same as the one I have. And if so, I'm not mad about it because it's wonderful. It has this slightly thicker texture. And it smells like lavender. Or at least it has lavender notes in it. Yeah, I think this is exactly the same one that I have. I'm awful with product names, but it looks exactly the same. And this is the one I think that they recently, just this month, and this is July that I'm filming it, but I think they just recently released an unscented version of this for people with super sensitive skin. It's amazing how much they could pack into this tiny box. They must have been really good at Tetris. Okay. And the Haruharo Wonder Black Bamboo Mist. Do you use mists? Do you like them? I have mixed feelings. I use them at the toner step. So right after cleansing, and then sometimes I'll do what James Welsh does and I'm gonna apply some mist between all of my skincare steps, but I'm not very big on using them throughout the day or anything. I don't know about the ingredients on this one. I'll have to read up on it, but usually, unless the mist has some kind of occlusive ingredient in it, just spraying it on the skin and letting it dry actually pulls more moisture out and creates transepidermal water loss. So unless you're sealing a mist in with something occlusive, it usually kind of does more harm than good. But I know that all products are different. This I'll probably use at the toner stage. I'll have to read up on what it does exactly and what the best way to use it is. So that's the Haruharo box. I clean as I go here. I'll have to. That's not all. There's more in here. Look how cute this is. Skin Food Tomato Tone Up Sun Cream SPF 50. Special food ingredients to feed your skin. Contains nutritive and energizing ingredients like fresh plants and fruits to maintain healthy and lively skin. All right, let's try it. The tone up things make me a little nervous. So I like tone up products myself, and I'm super pale, as you can see. And a lot of times on me, they look really good, or I like how they look. But then sometimes on other people, if you have a deeper skin tone, it's just white cast central. It's, I don't know, let's look. Little thingy. And all right, let's see. So I don't know if my camera is distorting the color, maybe a little, but it looks just a little bit like it has a tiny, tiny, tiny pinkish in it. I love the texture. I can already tell this is not going to be greasy or sticky. Smells really good. Not like tomatoes at all. Okay, so on me, I don't see a ton of white cast, but like I said, I'm really, really fair. Some things do give me a white cast, but this seems good. I know that testing on the hand is not a perfect thing because facial skin is so much different. Obviously, I'll use a lot more in the face, but I'll put a review out once I've tested this a whole bunch. So you can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, and then my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com, and I'll put reviews up on there when I'm ready. Looks like another exclusive collab, Beauty of Joseon. I know how to spell this brand because I see that name a lot. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Clear skin set. Looks like some happened here. I'm a little afraid. Oh, let's see what happened. Which one of you leaked and how badly? Why is this so hard? Come out. Okay, it's been a while since I struggled so much in an unboxing video, but it's not that uncommon for me. I would just rip it, but I don't want to because I kind of want to take a nice picture of it for my review later. Okay, you know what? That's fine. Fine, I give up. You win. Box, you win. Okay. Oh, bubble toner. Did you bubble? You bubbled, didn't you? Okay, so we have some packets of Dynasty Cream, which I haven't tried. Glow Serum with propolis and niacinamide. And I don't know what this is. It did have a list on the back here. Okay, so that must have been the calming serum. Green tea plus polyphenol, glow serum, bubble toner, and Dynasty Cream. Looks like the bubble toner is the problem child here. I mean, it's bubbly. Oh, come here, little baby. Oh, hey. There's actually... We didn't lose the whole patient. So, there's still enough for me to try. This is weird, or not weird. It's different. I have not had a bubbling toner before. So, I'm glad that most of it survived. This kind of thing... This doesn't happen too often, but stuff does leak occasionally. We just have to keep in mind that these things go through pressure changes while they're in transit to us, you know, with planes and stuff. And this came really quickly to me, like in a few days to the United States. So while this is frustrating, I'm okay with it. And then let's see these. Oh, come on. I already struggled with one box today. Ooh, pretty. Let's see this one. Also pretty. So I run a really big Facebook group called Korean Beauty Fanatics, and there are over 55,000 members. I see people talk about these or ask about these serums, and I think there's another one by the same brand. I vaguely remember seeing a picture of 3 of them, and people ask about them and which ones are good and which ones people prefer, etc., etc. And I've never tried them, so it's really cool that I get to try them now and actually have something to contribute from personal experience. So thank you, Stylevana. And of course, the cream. Oh, it's multiple things. Okay. I don't know how much I can struggle today with packaging, seriously. I do have a master's degree. I know you can't tell by my box skills. 1, 2, I don't know, 10 in there? Whatever. It's more than 1. Okay. Anyway, so you can use my code INF10KBH through the end of summer on Stylevana to save a little bit extra on your purchases. And they have basically global delivery. I'll put all of their different websites in the description box. Thank you so much for watching me struggle with this today. You can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, on my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com, and in my private Facebook group, which I already mentioned, Korean Beauty Fanatics. I will see you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you so much. Bye.